देखते हैं हम। हेलो गाइस, now today we'll focus on now we are focused on one by one. Now we are focused on one by one. Wait. What a voice. Okay, wait. Now we are focused on one by one. Voice clear or not? Wait, I will check voice first. I will check voice also. First of all, we check voice. I will check voice also. Okay, voice is clear. Now, under root a square minus x square dx. Now how can generate formula of integration of under root here a square minus x square? Okay, so first of all we are focused on step by step. First step is, look here under root a square minus x square dx. I know that in double integral, basically formula of two function, if two function is given u and b, okay, then first, if this one is first and that one second, first into integration of second minus differentiation of first part into integration of b dx. Okay, basically first into second, here first into second, and after that dx. Okay, if two functions are given f of x into gx, then how can integrate? First one we have, suppose that here u and v both are two function. Okay, so first into second, how can use this formula? Simply first into integration of second minus differentiation of first into integration of second to whole integration. Okay, simple. Now how can do? Look here, that formula apply here. Our motto, we are focused on under root a square minus x square dx. Okay, first of all let here I. But here if you see this question, under root a square minus x square dx is given. Okay, under root a square minus x square, but you don't know what is the integration of that one. But what about differentiation of that one? You know that. So that's why this one is taken first. Okay, basically this one written a square minus under root a square minus x square into 1 into dx. Okay, under root integration of under root a square minus x square into 1 into dx. Okay, now here if this one is a first and this one is second, so this one is taken first function and that one is taken second function. So first into second, so I is written as first into integration of second, second means 1, minus integration differentiation of this one. Okay, basically differentiation of a square minus x square with respect to dx to whole power 1 by 2. So differentiation of this one written is very simple. This one is considered t to power of half. Okay, so differentiation of t to power half is how much? 1 by 2 into t to power half minus 1 means t to power half minus 1. Okay, and what about t? Basically t is how much? A square minus x square to whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 into differentiation of that one. So differentiation of that one is how much? A square differentiation is 0 minus x square differentiation minus 2x. So 2 cancel, so we got how much? X upon under root, what about that value? A square minus x square to whole power minus half. So that one written minus x upon under root a square minus x square. I hope so clear. Now that value put here. Okay, so minus x into integration of 1, that is how much? X. So written x divided by here a square minus x square dx. Look here very carefully, that I is written here. What about that integration of x? Integration of dx, this is simply x. So x into under root of a square minus x square minus, now here minus x square, if a square adding, okay, what is the advantage? Simply dx. If a square adding and then also a square are subtracting, so a square adding, then we got like that one, minus if a square subtracting, basically here a square adding and minus a square subtracting. So if multiply minus plus, so plus a square divided by how much? 1 upon under root a square minus x square dx. I hope so clear. After that, look here, this one x under root a square minus x square, and what about that value? Minus of under root a square minus x square dx. Basically how much? How can solve? Simply a upon under root a is how much? Basically a means under root a into under root a, and that is under root a. So that one cancels, so we got under root a. And a, capital A, basically how much? A square minus x square basically. So that's why these two, if this one written corresponding that one, so written like that one. And what about that value? Simply a square, here integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx is how much? Simply I have already solved. That's when it is sine inverse x upon a. This is sine inverse x upon a plus c. Very simple. Okay, and what about that value? Basically I. So this I going on here, so 2i. So 2i, this be equal to that one. So I this be equal to how much? Finally we got I this be equal to how much? 1 by 2 x into under root a square minus x square plus a square sine inverse x upon a plus c. Okay, now I hope so clear. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Very simple, I will discuss again. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Okay, I am so clear or not? How can integrate? Simply integration of under root a square minus x square dx is given. How can integrate? Simply using formula, that one. If this one is considered first function and 1 is considered, that one basically multiply 1. Okay, so if this one is first function, this one second function, corresponding one first into integration of second. So first into integration of second, second means 1 integration of 1 dx. So simply dx minus differentiation of that one. So if differentiation of that one, we got like that one. So that value put here, and after that a and integration of 1, that is x. So x into x. Okay, x square. So here also minus. So minus x square. After that a square adding and a square subtracting. Then what is the advantage? Then we got like that one. So that value corresponding to that one, you can replace to integration of under root a square minus x square dx, and that value is simply I. So if this I is going on here, so 2I this equal to corresponding to that one. So I this equal to like that one. Okay, I hope so clear. So you can say that this one written 1 by 2 x under root x square, sorry, here a square. So a square minus x square plus a square sine inverse x upon a plus c. Okay, now we focus on how can apply. Take some problem on the basis of that question. Okay, look here very carefully. Under root 25 minus x square dx. How can apply that formula here? Very simple way. Simply that for this question is compared to that one. What about a? A is 5. What about a? A basically how much? 5. Okay, so 5 to the whole square, that is a square. So that one written integration of 5 to the whole square minus x square dx. Now, so simply written as how much? 1 by 2 x under root 25 minus x square plus a square means 25 into sine inverse x upon 5. Very simple. Plus C is the right answer. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step, then I will discuss again. Okay, so make it. Okay, now if here integration of under root a square plus a square dx is given, then how can solve? How can generate new formula? Look here. First of all, focus proof. Okay. Then after that, memorize. Here, look here. Under root a square minus x, a square plus x square dx is given. Look here. This one written under root a square plus x square into 1 into dx. Okay, because of I don't know what is the integration of that one, that's why we, but what about differentiation of that one? I will do. That's why this one take first function and one is that one is taken second function. If this one is a first function and that one is second function, how can do? First into second. In this one written simply under root a square plus x square into integration of 1 dx minus differentiation of under root a square plus x square with respect to dx into integration of dx into whole integration dx. Okay, how can solve? Look, integration of dx simply 1, but differentiation of under root a square plus x square is how much? So differentiation of a square plus x square to whole power 1 by 2 dx is how much? That one written 1 by 2, here a square plus x square to whole power 1 by 2 minus 1, that is how much? 1 by 2 minus 1 into differentiation of this one, a square is 0, here 2x, so 2 cancel, so simply x divided by under root a square plus x square. Okay, I so clear? So differentiation of under root a square plus x square to whole power 1 by 2 is how much? X upon under root a square plus x square. Look here very carefully. Integration of this, here x under root a square plus x square, and that one simply integration of, here integration of that is x, so x into x, that is x square dx. Okay, so if a square adding and a square subtracting, then what is the advantage of that one? Simply here x square plus a square, and that one is also written x square plus a square into dx minus minus plus a square integration of dx divided by under root x square plus a square. Okay, look very carefully. That part is x under root a square plus x square, and what about that value? Simply integration of under root x square plus a square dx, and this one is basically log of modulus of log of mod x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. Okay, after that this is I, and what about that value? This is also I, so I plus I, that is 2i, so 2i this is equal to how much? X plus a square log of x plus under root plus c. Okay, now so finally I is how much? I is how much? 1 by 2 x plus x into x square plus a square plus a square plus c. Okay, make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Okay, If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, now after that, how can utilize these formulas? Okay, so I will take some problem on the basis of that question. So you can say that this one written 1 by 2, here x under root x square plus a square, and here a square into log of modulus of mod of x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. Okay, now how can you utilize this formula? Simply under root here 5 square plus x square dx. So apply that formula. X replaced to simply a replaced to simply 5. So you can say that x under root x square plus 5 ka square means 25 plus 25 into log of modulus of x plus under root x square plus 25 plus c. I hope so clear. Now take some problem. Exercise based problem. Problem number 1, dx divided by 4 plus 2 minus 3x to whole square. How can solve? How can solve this type of problem? Here dx divided by 4 plus 2 minus 3x to the whole square. How can solve this type of problem? Simply this this question is matching to dx upon x square plus a square. Okay, and that one 1 by a tan inverse x upon a plus c. So that question making like that one first of all. Okay, here a is 2, but what about x? X is, if this one replaced to t, let here simply 2 minus 3x, this equal to t. So dx is minus dt divided by 1 by 3. Okay, now that value put here, minus dt divided by 1 by 3, basically 1 by minus 1 by 3 dt divided by 4 means 2 square plus that is t square. Okay, this question is similar to that question. Okay, that portion. After that, look here very carefully. X replaced to t and a replaced to a. So you can say that here 1 by 3 into 1 by a is how much? 2. 2 into tan inverse, here t upon a means how much? 2 plus c. After that, this one written minus 1 by 6 into tan inverse t, basically 2 minus 3x to the modulus by how much? 2 plus c is the right answer. Okay, now next question is, I hope so clear. Very simple. First of all, check this question is similar to that, corresponding to that one. If this one is making like that one, then simply reiterate 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. But a is 2, but what about x? X is 2 minus 3x. So first of all, that's why we have taken this one is t. If this one replaced to t, so very similar to that one. If this one similar to that one, so simply that formula apply here, and after that t replaced to 2 minus 3x. Okay, then we got the final answer. Okay, now I will focus on next problem. Here dx divided by 2x square plus x minus 1. How can solve? How can solve? How can solve? If this one making like x square minus a square dx, so 1 by 2a into log of modulus of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Okay, so first of all, if this question making like that one, then apply that direct formula. Okay, but here dx divided by 2x square minus x plus 1 is given. If 2 is taken common, okay, so first of all, if 2 is common, 1 by 2 is common basically, then here dx divided by how much? X square plus 1 by x by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now after that we are focused on how can make this one perfect square. Okay, so perfect square means basically a plus b to the whole square is how much? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now so here written x square, here given x square plus x by 2 and minus 1 by 2. That one written here x square, here 1 by 2, 2 into ab, so plus 2, so 2 if multiply then 2 also divide, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 already given, so 2 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that's 1 by 4 into x. Okay, here x square plus 2a into b. Okay, so basically here if x is a, then b is how much? 1 by 4. That's why 1 by 4 to the whole square is adding and minus 1 by 4 to the whole square is subtracting. Okay, minus half. Look here very carefully. What about that value? Here x plus 1 by 4 to the whole square minus 1 by 16 and minus 1 by 2. After that if multiply 8 and here also multiply, then how much? X plus 1 by 2 to the whole square, and that one basically minus 9, so 3 by 4 to the whole square. So basically that part is replaced to, you can say that 1 by 2 integration of dx divided by how much? X plus 1 by 2 to the whole square minus 3 by 4 to the whole square. Okay, so basically if this one is t and that is a square, so t square minus a square, very simple. So if apply that formula here, so written here 1 by 2 into 2 a is how much? 3 by 4 into log of here x plus half minus 3 by 4 divided by x plus half plus 3 by 4 plus c. What about that value? So 2 by 3 into log of, what about that value? X plus or here is 4x, take LCM, 4x, here 2, so 2 minus 3 minus 1, divide by here 4x plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, that is 5, plus C. So final answer is how much? 2 by 3 into log of 4x minus modulus of 4x minus 1 upon 4x plus 5, okay, plus C is the right answer. Here 4, here 2 minus 3, that's minus 1. Was silly mistake here, very oh. Silly mistake, 1 by 4. So basically here x plus 1 by 4 to the whole square minus 9 by that one, minus 9 by 16. 9 by 16 means 3 by 4 to the whole square. Okay, now that one, this one replaced to that one. So that one replaced, this one replaced to that one. So this one written here, dx divided by 1 by 2 into dx, integration of dx divided by, what about that value here, x plus 1 by 4 to the whole square minus 3 by 4 to the whole square. Okay, so dx right now, if direct formula utilize here, x replaced to x plus 1 by 4 and a replaced 3 by 4. So that one written 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into log of modulus of here x plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 divided by how much, x plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus C. Okay, so that is 2 by 3 log of, what about that value here, 4x and minus 2 divided by, what about that value, 4x plus 4 plus C. So finally 2 by 3 log of modulus of, that is 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 2 plus C is the right answer. Okay, so final answer is how much, 2 by 3 into log of modulus of 2x minus 1 upon 2x plus 2 plus C is the right answer. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Okay. After that, I will focus on another problem also. Very simple. First of all, look how can do this one making like that one. Okay, if this question is making like that one, then you can direct apply that formula. Okay, so that's why this one 1 by 2 is take common, then we got how much, dx divided by x square plus 1 by x plus minus half. So then this one is make perfect square. So if you compare a plus b to the whole square is how much? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we got like that one. After that, this value put here and now compare, and we got the final answer. Okay. Now next problem is integration of dx divided by how much? X square minus x plus 1. Okay, how can solve? Look here very carefully. If you see this question very carefully, I don't know how can make. First of all, make perfect square. First of all, this one make perfect square. Here x square minus x plus 1 is compared to a minus b to the whole square. Why? Because here minus available. That's why.